Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to start using ChatGPT. In order to start using ChatGPT, you can either use an application or a web browser. If you open up a respective Play Store and then look for ChatGPT, you can find multiple options, but then I'd recommend you to go with this one. So for that case, open up a web browser. On the web address bar, type in openai.com. And when you type in openai.com, it's going to take you to the official web page. So here you can go ahead and tap the menu button. When you do that, you can go ahead and tap the login button, and as you click on the login button, if you have your account already, then you can go ahead and log in into your account, or else you can just go ahead and tap on the sign up button and you can start creating your account. So basically, the first way of using your ChatGPT is by creating your account. So unless and until if you don't have an account, you will not be able to access the ChatGPT. Now you can select the method of creating your account. You can either manually enter in the email address, or continue with Google, or continue with your Microsoft account, or with an Apple account. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. So I'm going to go with continue with Google. As you do that, now you need to select the account that you wish to create an account for, and when you've done that, and you've successfully created your OpenAI account, and now you can start using OpenAI account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.